Alright, back with another video. Today I'll be showing y'all hold on, some of the printouts that we have, like the full color transfer. So we got these bags in stock as well on ERCPRINTINGSupplies.com. Be sure to like and subscribe on the YouTube. Hit the notification bell. Also go to the website ERCPRINTINGSupplies.com and subscribe there as well. And please join the Facebook group. ERC Printing and Supplies is all the same. So today I'll be pressing this with the Cricut mini press. I almost called it something else. Ooh. Alright. I don't know, some of y'all may have one of these, showing you can do it with one of these. So I'm gonna sit there right there on the side. So I got it on the highest temp right there. So I'm gonna just sit that on the side and place my image right here. Let's see. I'm gonna move it up. If you got a pillow you can put up under it or something hard, that'll make it better. Alright. So what I'm gonna do, I already let it heat up. I'm gonna go ahead. If you have any questions, be sure to email us about the transfers. We do offer sublimation transfers as well as this. This is like a cotton canvas bag, so you can use this on any kind of material, on polyester as well, nylon, and all of that. What is?
That's a polyester cotton bag, not cotton.
It don't feel like it.
It is.
I'm sure.
Yes, I'm sure.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Well, yeah. Y'all get the point. But whatever it is, it's on the website.
I think it's polyester veneer.
Well, it feel like cotton. Trying to make sure I got this down on there. Give me a second. You'll be able to see. I'm just probably doing this. It's probably overdoing it, but I'm just making sure it's on there. See, I like to use a regular heat press, but I'm gonna just show y'all with this, just so you know, just in case this is what you got, to show you can do it. It may take you a little bit more work, but you can make it. You know how much these bags are? I turned it off. My bad. Yeah, take a little more work with these things right here. I'm not really familiar with it a whole lot, but I'm just trying to show you can do it.
Those are $1.
Yeah. Yeah, these bags are on sale for $1, so you can pick these up. Alright, as you can see, there we go. The images now on the bag. It may take you a little time using one of these, but of course you already have one of these, you probably already know that, but I think you can pick, well, I'll leave the links below for this down below. But you can get it a bunch of different places, but if the image is on the image, it's on the bag or whatnot. Trying to use it with one hand, but as you can see. So yeah, be sure to like and subscribe. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. And if you have any questions, be sure to go to ERCPRINTIngsupplies.com. Got that out of there. As you can see, you can pick that up on the website, ERCPRINTIngsupplies.com. Be sure to join the Facebook group, ERC Printing Supplies. I sure appreciate y'all watching. And be sure to tune in to the next video. See y'all on the next one.